Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to achieve this marble look. So for this look, you can start off on a natural base, or for natural clients you can go ahead and add a thin layer of clear acrylic so it won't stain the natural nail. But for this tutorial I won't be needing that. What I like to do, I like to just get a very wet bead and I like to place all my colors, and it doesn't have to be a pattern, it could just be any crazy old order because you are going to swirl them around in a marbling way. In order to achieve this look, what I like to do, I like to keep my brush wet as well as the bead, and I just lightly swirl it on top of the surface. Now what you want to do, you want to make sure that even though your beads are very wet, you do not want to have chunky beads. You want this surface layer to be just the surface layer, because you will encapsulate it with clear acrylic. Now all you have to do is just lightly push and pull, swirl it around, whichever way feels best for you. This will help you get the marble look. Now I use this with two colors, one color, multiple colors, it doesn't matter. This is the way that I found was best for me. And I use this on all my marbling techniques. I really like this way. I'm able to just do it super fast and just worry free. And as you can see, I'm just going ahead and just different patterns. I'm not repeating the same pattern because, like I said, it's a marble. It does not have to match to the T, but you do want it in some sort of, or order, just so that way it won't look like mud. And that is how I do my marble nail. So if you guys take anything from this video, I hope you guys execute it well. Always remember, practice takes perfect, and this technique will help you create the perfect marble look. Yet again, please excuse my black fingernail. I do work at a plant. I work for Ford, so my nails get so beat up during the week. I do apologize, guys. Well, that's all I have for you, ladies and gents. I do hope that you all learned a lot from this video, and I also hope that you guys enjoy watching me. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at nailbyshay_, and I hope to see you guys soon.